Why, hello there, people. 100 Spoke Riders here again. Oh boy, another fun and exciting weekend with 100 Spoke Riders. Now, I didn't even film Saturday, I had a lot going on, but check this out. Sunday. Look familiar? I'm right back at it again. I think I'm going to have to call my Sundays Charge a Battery Sunday, it seems like. Because here we go again. Same bad channel, same bad place. Just got back from the gym. Decided, had no real game plan. Was like, you know what? I ain't drove the Tahoe in about 2.5 months. Let me go ahead and swap that tire and get the rolling, Put the wheels in motion today. Okay. For some reason, this battery is not cooperating with me on that charger outside the car. For some reason, it keeps kicking off at 50%. So I'm not sure what's going on. I think I'm just going to put it back in, try to start the car. Hopefully it's charged. If not, I'm going to try to charge it with everything hooked up. Because for some reason, this AGM battery, for some reason, it seems like it doesn't like to be charged outside the car. But I don't know, my battery charger be tripping, so sometimes you got to kind of charge it brute force style, just kind of make it charge. Every time it kicked off, I just kept unhooking it and hooking it back up. So I already got the negative on earlier. I'm gonna just throw this positive on, and we'll see what happens after that. Tighten the battery down, hook the amp back up, and I should be back in action. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Let me tell you, people, I just messed up. I definitely got overconfident. I just jumped in the car, shut the door, and I forgot the door handle is broken. So if this battery is not what it's supposed to be, I can't roll the window down. I can't open this inside door. Oh boy. So that means I'm gonna have to crawl through the other side. All right, I'm definitely, hopefully this works out. We'll see. All right. Oh boy, it's starting to get hot in here. Come on. This is it. Here we go, moment of truth. Chevy power for the win. Oh boy, let me roll this window down. I'm glad that worked out for me, because if this Tahoe didn't start up, that means I would have had to crawl over. I mean, not that I can't do it, but I would have had to crawl over all the center console stuff to get to the other side. Now, I've been in that situation before. I got to the other side, and that handle broke. So, got the Tahoe started. Mission accomplished. I'm gonna let it run for a little while, and the next step is to get the tire swapped out. I gotta put that tire on the outside, because the one in the back on the outside has a fat nail in it. Okay, well, that's the first time my phone is shut down on me. That was kind of weird. I have my phone hanging kind of up there on the outskirts outside to get that shot down there. And I guess after about 2 minutes or so in the blazing Arizona sun and the blazing 100+ Arizona sun, I guess my phone had enough. It said too hot and shut itself down. So pretty much I only got 2 minutes of it, which is pretty much nothing. But I got the wheel out of there, I got the spare on, or the other wheel on. I'm not even really going to call it a spare because it's the same. But let me show you what's wrong with this tire right here. Where's it at? There it is. Let me set it up. Oh my gosh, this thing's heavy. There we go. That is a very weird, square head bolt. Where am I at here? I can't see it. There it is right there. Look at that. That's sticking in my tire. It made the tire lose some air, but then it stopped. So I was going to try to plug that up myself, but it's kind of in a weird location. I said just to be on the safe side. I'm just going to take it to the tire shop because at the end of the day, a patch is always better than the plug. A plug is cool for like emergency situations if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere just to get you by, but if you can, it's always better to patch it from the inside. I don't have a tire machine, so it's going to have to go to the tire shop. So if it's going to the tire shop, I might just have them go ahead and put the patch on the inside because it's in this weird location. And I paid a lot for these tires. Still got a lot of life left on them. So I'm just going to go ahead and have them patch it from the inside. But I probably won't do that today because it's very hot out here. And I think I'm happy with what I got accomplished with the Tahoe as far as the Tahoe goes today. So I think I'm going to take a little break. Struggle getting this big tire back in the vehicle. Oh, if you're wondering what this is, these are just the little disc. They go right here in the back to keep everything flat. I don't know. That's what I got when I bought the Ram, so I'm always going to use them. Slap them back in there. All right. Now, for the next journey is getting this inside the Tahoe. Getting the spare in there is always a struggle. Because even though they are only 20s, the combination of the rims and tires, they're not as light as a factory wheel would be. Oh boy. All right. I'm done. I am done for the day. Oh, ain't that nice? I think my LED light just broke off. All right. Oh boy. Amazon. Gotta love it. Okay, well. All right, people. This is just a quick little video on Sunday. Just getting the old Tahoe. Try to get the old Tahoe back in order. Be on the lookout. Tahoe videos will be coming soon. I need a break. I'm going in the house, chilling in the AC, play some Red Dead. I think I'm done until the sun goes down. All right.